Hey there! Today we're diving into a data wrangling problem that involves calculating some values for a range of columns based on defined start and end points in R. The issue at hand revolves around optimizing the computation process for a large dataset with over 60,000 rows, as the current solution is taking too long to execute. Now, let's talk about the solution provided to tackle this challenge. In the initial part, the script leverages the tidyr and dplyr packages in R to reshape the data, rename columns, and perform necessary transformations to set up for the desired computation. The pivot_longer and pivot_wider functions play a significant role in restructuring the data to facilitate the subsequent calculations. This part of the solution sets the stage for efficiently processing the range sums. Continuing with the solution, we see the transformation of the data into a tidy format, allowing for easy manipulation and aggregation of values. The code snippet showcases how the sum of values within the specified range of months is calculated for each row, resulting in the creation of a new column, gs_sum. The approach streamlines the process and enhances the performance of the calculations, paving the way for faster results on large datasets. Moving forward, the solution demonstrates another aspect where the column names are adjusted and the data is reshaped to aid in the aggregation process. By converting month names to their integer representations and aggregating the values within the defined ranges, the final outcome showcases the sum values for each row, providing a comprehensive overview of the growing season totals. Concluding our exploration of the solution, we observe the final aggregation step where the sum values for each row are presented alongside their corresponding row identifiers. This aggregated data encapsulates the essence of the original problem by efficiently calculating the range sums for the specified months, offering valuable insights into the dataset at hand. In summary, we delved into a data processing challenge, dissected the solution methodology, and witnessed the transformation of raw data into actionable insights. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below for more engaging content. Until next time, happy coding!